Hey, what's going on? Erik here, Texas Barndominiums. So today we're doing another Friday feast from my visit to Rome. I told you guys last week about the great pizza we had, and today I'm going to tell you about pasta. So my wife was with me and she loves pasta. However, we couldn't find what she wanted. All right, and by that I mean we couldn't find a pasta that she really liked. So we tried some expensive restaurants that the hotel would recommend to us, and she was just not, it just didn't hit the spot. You know what I mean? So we asked a tour guide, and I told you this is the same tour guide that we asked about the pizza place. I asked him about pasta. And we were over at the Vatican taking a tour, and we asked him, and he said, oh man, he said, there is a place about a block away, 2 blocks away from here called Egg Pasta. You need to go there. He said, that pasta is super fresh, super good, you're gonna like it. So we went over there to Egg Pasta, and it was a very small place, okay? It was tiny. However, we went in there, she ordered her pasta, and it was amazing, okay? She loved it, and the best part, I don't know if it's the best part, but it was €5. It was only €5 for the plate. So, needless to say, we loved it, and we went back the next day. However, I didn't want to go to the same place again because I want to keep exploring. Of course, my wife had loved it so much she wanted to go there. So we asked another tour guide about another recommendation, and he recommended, and I don't know how to say it, but it was called Pastasciutta, whatever. Danny will put it on the screen. And so we went there as well. And these places are only like a block away from each other. They're all close to the Vatican. And oh my God, it was so good as well. Very good. I mean, they were making the pasta right there in front of your eyes. And I mean, they're cooking it right there. Just really, really good stuff. So these are the 2 places that we found. And again, I'm guessing there's a lot more, but when we were there, these are the 2 places that we found that we really, really liked. And so we got to have it for a couple of days because we were in that area. And the other days we kind of went somewhere else. But anyway, if you are around the Vatican in Rome, so go to these 2 places, Egg Pasta and Pastasciutta. I don't know how to say it, but it's right here on the screen. Okay, so go to those 2 places, check them out, and they are very economical. I really enjoyed our trip to Rome, and the food was great once we found those local spots. And I just want to make sure that you know about them in case you go, and then you can hit them on day 1. You don't have to spend a few days searching for them. So anyway, I hope you guys like this. I will see you next week. I'm Erik, and we are Texas Barndominiums.